The power to persuade is the art of influencing mind without the use of force. It's not enough to be right. You must also be effective. The chief guest of the occasion and Dean Management Humanities and International Relations, Kale University, Dr. Kishore Babu Garu. The principal, KLEF College of Law, Dr. K.I. Pawan Kumar. The head of the department, KL College of Law, Mrs. G. Vijaya Soda. Other respected faculties and dignitaries, participant teams, and other dear students, good morning. A warm welcome to the opening ceremony of the 4th Koneru Lakshmaya Memorial National Moot Court Competition 2024. Dear teams, we have come a very long way to meet each other here, and we have farther distances to go. Mooting is something that will never go out of fashion as long as the legal education stays. It is a fallacy when moots are stereotyped with advocacy only. They are on one hand a gala event of the law schools, and on the other they serve as a powerful academic tool, inculcating in students skills of researching, argumentation, constructive criticism, power of persuasion, time compliance, and teammanship, and above all, intellectual development. Personally, I would say law schools leave a lot of cherishable good and bad memories, but when we look back in time, mooting has yielded the finest of them. Staying up at night, working overtime, doing all those clerical, editorial, and atypical tasks of typing, printing, editorial, and other tasks are really some rejuvenating moments that we leave behind us for our future. Not winning or losing breaks us. It does break us in a million ways. But the spirit of giving it our all, putting out a show, and fighting relentlessly helps us to navigate from one courtroom to another, one competition to another, and in one case to another in professional life, and in our practical life, from one challenge to another. So in mooting, we are simulating not only a court situation or court ambience, we simulate a vital part of our personal struggles in our private life and learn to keep our chin up and re-emerge again and again. We proudly hence announce the arrival at the threshold of the inauguration of the 4th KL Memorial National Moot Court Competition 2024. We received registrations from over 34 teams, some of which had to back out due to some unavoidable circumstances. So we're left with 32 right now, for which we'll be conducting the draw of lots. With these words, I invite the head of the department, Mrs. G. Vijaya Soda, for inaugural address.
Good morning, distinguished Dean M&H Sir, Principal Garu, and my dear students, and the participants who are online right now. I welcome all of you to this occasion where our students are inviting you all participants for taking your skills and prove yourselves and then win the prizes which have been already announced, which are specifically mentioned in the brochure. And here I would like to say a few words. You might have all heard of Dharmo Rakshati Rakshitaha. If you protect Dharma, Dharma will protect you. In pursuit of the same, you are all now participating in this moot court competition where you would like to consider rules, regulations, law, morals, ethics, evidence, and fight out the case in such a way that you are finding out ultimately the one who is guilty, since this is a criminal law problem. One who is guilty, you are trying to project him as the guilty person and then see that the justice is delivered. So this is all in pursuit of Dharma only you people are doing. but technically speaking, in the form of a competition. And here, if I fail to mention the hard work the team has undertaken under the leadership of Mr. Mudassir Rasulwani, I would be really doing injustice. So he has joined our institution 1.5 years back. I think it is coming around 2 years right now. But within this short span of time, he got constituted a club where most of the students of this department are the members. And within first semester of his joining here, he has sent around 10 teams across the nation for participating, out of which one team got even prize Best Memorial Award. And now he is organizing this competition with support of all the students, and a big applause to him and his team for such a wonderful event being organized. So with this note, I welcome all of you once again. Prove your talent, prove your skills, and win the prize. All the best to all of you.
Thank you. For the concept note.
Respected Dean, Management and Humanities, and Director of International Relations of KL University, Dr. Kishore Babu Garu, who has been the source of inspiration for the College of Law, Madam HOD, the instrumental for running the college, organizing this kind of academic events from time to time. Thanks to Rasulwani for his relentless efforts. And I also appreciate and acknowledge the efforts put forth by the team, faculty law, and also the student community who have been associated in bringing this event to this level. This is a very good beginning, in fact. This is our fourth Konir Lakshmaya Memorial Moot Court competition at all India level. It has been the practice of College of Law to organize moot court competitions not as an academic ritual. We organize these events with a sense of reverence, with a sense of commitment that moot court competitions pave the way in making successful lawyers, eventually the successful judges in the course of time. In pursuit of that endeavor, in pursuit of making that happen, we are on the fourth stage of organizing this memorial moot court competition. I appreciate the interest shown by all the teams across India, including national law universities, law colleges, private universities, representing across India. Many universities are participating in this. I happen to speak to some of the principals and also organizing teams this morning. They also expressed a very positive note and enthusiastically they are willing, and they have prepared very well. In fact, one of the principals was saying that the students of their team, college team, are preparing for more than 36 hours. For the past 36 hours, they are in preparation. Please take note of the rules and regulations that have already been circulated. Within the domain of those rules and regulations, demonstrate your best and wish you all the success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Dean, Management Humanities and International Relations, Dr. Kishore Babu Garu, for giving insights from his address.
Thank you so much. Indeed, it's a great feeling to associate in this realistic world, Moot Court competition. I thank the man of humbleness, Pawan Garu, and a lady of waterfall, who drive and again, she is a driving force, especially in setting attendance streamlined or not. The discipline, it is required, especially last students. She is doing a great job. And Mudassir, he speak less and again do more. At times he'll not also wish. But again, he's a man of action. I'll not forget the senior most faculty, Kamsai Garu. Even he is 70 plus, but still very active. And one of key pillar, Vinodini. Then Siddiqui, I'll not forget Subramanyam. Mautushi, of course, another pillar. Informally active pillar, who maintain good relations with all students and also give piece of advice, what is good, what is not. And there are few new faculty joined, but I forgot the name. Probably one name I heard is Pooja Naresh. Okay. And more than that, most handsome boys. I said handsome boys. I said handsome boys. You are not handsome? Okay, handsome budding lawyers. And again, beautiful girls. And more importantly, those who are attending online, assume that they're also handsome and beautiful. Spread across India, because Indians are very beautiful by their nature and again attitude and their good relationships. Indeed, Moot Court competition, I've been talking to the team, though it was initiated by Professor Rangay Garu, the founder of Law College way back in 2016, if I'm right. Then, yeah. Very renowned guru for many leading lawyers and again even ex Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Ramana Garu. He was a guru. That ecosystem was built. Only thing is, it has to continue and again continue and keep the ball moving. We initiated last year with the help of Pawan and again Vijay Sudha, the evening practices, especially visiting the courts in the afternoon. But some of you are doing very seriously, some of you are taking lightly. But why don't you continue the same practice? Because talking to the senior lawyers and again understanding the proceedings of various courts, because most of things happen out of the court, I do agree. But that's also learning. And at times, certain cases are settled out of court, which cannot be settled in the court because of various technicalities and again legal aspects, which most of you know. And interestingly, some of your parents are the leading lawyers or probably the honorable judges. Why don't you make them visit here, share their expertise at least half an hour or 1 hour, or create an ecosystem of visiting them on Sunday, take their prior permission, ask them to serve a coffee, let us demand a coffee for them. We'll go to their office or probably a house, sit for half an hour or 1 hour, listen to their experiences, how they evolved as a leading practitioner or probably a judge. If the she or he is a judge, probably try to learn what is the most critical case they handled. Try to note down again, make a presentation in the class. It helps, especially once you go out of university with a degree. Probably it may not be a red carpet because there are many lawyers practicing there. You are one more lawyer added. But how do you create your own identity? How do you create your own establishment? That's most important. Probably your deliberations, your arguments, and again the notes you prepare, or the drafting skills, whatnot. Everything matters. And also find out how to become a bar council member, what are the requirements, how to get registered with High Court. If somebody is guiding, fine. If in case, no, start doing it. Especially, I was informed of Pawngar that the final years are acting as a mentors and fourth years are acting as a coordinator, and again, second, third years are volunteers. Wonderful chain of nexus, great success. Let your first years also understand this beautiful practice, and again, let the torch pass on to next generation so that everybody is happy. My request is all of you please take active participation in the online attendees. Also, I request you to please extend your support. In case of any technical glitch, let the organizers know what is happening so that we'll try to resolve in an amicable manner. And at the same time, the second years try to learn more and more. Third years, be a bridge between fourth and fifth, and second years and first years. Whatever you set, whatever you create the path, the legacy will continue. Hope this moot court competition will continue in future and bring laurels to KL University, and let the College of Law be identified as a feather in the cap of KL University. And KL University is known for engineering, but let us try to break that impressions and again brand recall as an engineering college. Let it be a law college like Nalsar or probably National Law College across. The KL College of Law shall become a first brand recall on the top of mind so that you'll have more merit and you'll have more admissions. Of course, for me, admissions are more important than remaining. The 60 minimum requirement, maximum is 120, so that the entire floor go in full swing. You'll have whatnot. You can enjoy and again cherish the presence of your budding juniors. With these few words, I appreciate all the people sitting here, everyone. May God bless you all, and hope your support will continue even after your graduation. Don't forget, KL, sometimes you may have few bitter issues of attendance or less marks. Don't worry, it's all part of life. It's all part of life. I too failed in intermediate first year, but I'm very proud of it. Honestly proud of it. There is a reason, because I attended a cricket match. Finally, I'm the captain. The same day physics exam was held. So for me, at the age of 16 years, I thought cricket match is more important because there is no supplementary for it. And whereas exam has March and September then, probably my small brain could not realize the importance of passing exam in first attempt. Yet I'm happy because we won the game. I hit 6 sixes in 1 over. Not 6-4, I'm sorry. 4 sixes. We won. But somehow then the priority was my cricket match as a captain. But today, I'm using it as example. Anyway, later I passed. Since it is the first year, it makes no difference. I have an attempt in second year also. So priorities always go up and down. For you also, tomorrow you may have failures. Sometimes seniors and again leading practitioners may not extend support. Try to win their confidence with your patience, attitude, and again behavior. At times, they may even treat you as just another lawyer. They may feel competition also. Yet, one day it will come, your shine will star like anything. Because KLU known for twinkle, twinkle, little star. KLU law students are superstars. I wish all the other colleges students also will shine and again become superstars everywhere. Where are they? And don't forget the last word, humanity. Be humans while you are charging. Some days a consultation or probably law fee for those who can't pay. Those who can pay take huge amount because they love to pay. But those who can't pay, try to have a quick discretionary of charging little less so that your innate soul will feel happy. May God bless you all and wish you all the best for your competition, and I wish you all the best for attendees who are attending across the line. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable insights. And fortunately, we are running ahead of time. And we had some constraint because many of the teams who are participating online, they are facing their examinations also either today or tomorrow. We are really thankful that they have turned up. And now, before we mark the commencement of session 2, that is the actual draw of lots, what we have gathered for actually here, I would like to request our 2 volunteers, Meghna and Shyam, to unveil the board with the assistance of chief guest and our dignitaries. So both sides, there are threads, we need to pull them to unveil the board. Slow, slow. No, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request chief guest of the occasion, Dr. Kishore Babu Garu, to pick the first sheet so that we know the first color, hence the first team who shall be the first petitioners in first round of the preliminary. Screen. Coffee. We got the coffee color, and now we need to unveil the coffee. Coffee gives us the first petitioner, that is 20T15M24A. The team with the code 20T15M24A is requested to make a choice of their color so that we find respondents for them. A member from the team in the meeting, please call out your color.
Hi. So we would go with peach.
Peach. Peach. Peach gives us 20T05M24K. 20T05M24K. Technical teams are noting that. The team with this code is requested to make a choice for their color.
Beige.
Sorry, can you be louder?
Beige. Beige.
A beige. Beige gives us 20T12M24D. 20T12M24D, they will be your opponents in preliminary round 1. Now the team with this code is requested to choose their color.
Sir. Gold color.
Can you repeat it?
Gold.
Gold. Gold gives us 20T13M24C. Please note down 20T13M24C. The team with this code is requested to make a choice of their color.
We make the choice of black.
Black. Please open black. Black gives you 20T09M24G. Additionally, the teams are requested to keep a track in the chat box. We are updating the real time, the matches for preliminary round 1 and preliminary round 2 both. 20T09M24G. Please make a choice for your color.
We choose ruby.
Ruby. Ruby gives you 20F12M24P. 20F12M24P. The team with this code will be respondents in preliminary round 1. Now, when you act as petitioners in preliminary round 2, please tell us a color so that we find respondents for you. This is a call for the team with code 20F12M24P. Anyone from the team in the meeting? (20F12 M24P). This is a last reminder for you. If any one of you fails, we'll make a call here. We request our principal sir to choose any color randomly so that we find their opponent.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, is there anyone in the meeting? If there is anyone in the meeting from the team, please speak out. Team with code 20F12 M24P. Okay, sir, from the board. From the board, we have to select the color randomly. One color from the board. Cream. Okay. Cream gives us 20T14 M24B. The team with this code, you are requested to choose your color.
We are choosing teal.
Teal. Is it teal, T-A-L?
Yes.
Okay, please open teal. Teal gives us 20W03 M24W. 20W03 M24W. The team with this code is requested to choose their color.
So we would like to choose yellow.
Sorry, can you be louder?
Sir, we would be likely to choose yellow.
Yellow, is it yellow?
Yes, sir.
Are you saying yellow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yellow. Thank you. Yellow gives us 20W01 M24Y. They'll be your opponents. Now the team with the code 20W01 M24Y, please tell us a color of your choice to find your respondent.
We would opt for white.
White, is it white, W-H-I-T-E?
Yes.
Okay, please go for white. White gives you 20W00 M24Z. 20W00 M24Z. Now the team with this code is required to make the choice of their color.
Green, sir.
Green. Please open green. They will be your opponents, 20T07 M24I. 20T07 M24I. The team with this code, please choose your color.
We would like to choose plum.
Plum. Thank you. 20W14 M24L.
Yes.
20W14 M24L. The team with this code, we request you to choose your color from the remaining ones.
I will pick
Olive.
amber.
Is it olive?
No, amber. Amber.
Emerald. Emerald. In the first row. Emerald.
No, the
Emerald
second
gives you
row, the second
20
one.
W10.
The second row, the second one. Okay.
Amber. Sorry. Okay, please go to amber. Amber. 20T03 M24M. The team with code 20T03 M24M, please tell us your color. I repeat, the team with code. Yeah, please tell us your color.
Ivory.
Is it ivory?
Yes, sir, ivory.
The first one on the last column?
Yes.
Okay, please open ivory. 20W11 M24O.
Yes, sir.
20W11 M24O. The team with this code, please choose your color.
So violet.
Violet. Okay. You have a match with 20T00 M24P. 20T00 M24P. The team is requested to choose their color.
Yes, sir. We would go with the mint. Mint.
Can you repeat it?
Mint. M-I-N-T. Mint.
Mint. Please open mint. 20T06 M24J. Your opponent is 20T06 M24J. The team with code, please choose your color now. Anyone from the team code 20T06 M24J? If there is any member from the team, please tell us your color. 20T06 M24J. We are repeating for the last time. If we don't hear from you, we will assume you are not in the meeting. 20T06 M24J. It's your turn to choose the color. You are in the meeting. You should connect your audio. We request our HOD ma'am to tell us the color for them. Any color, ma'am. Lavender. Okay, lavender. Ma'am has chosen lavender for them. It's 20W07 M24S.
Yes, sir.
20W07 M24S.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Please make color choice for your color, please.
Grape.
Sorry?
Grape.
GRAPE, grape.
Yes.
Okay, grape. Grape gives you 20T08 M24H. Your opponent is 20T08 M24H. The team with code 20T08 M24H. Please tell us your color now.
Yes, sir. We will go with aqua.
Aqua. Is it aqua?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, please open aqua. Your opponents are the team with code 20W12 M24N. The team with the code 20W12 M24N. Please tell us your color.
Sir, we would like to go with emerald.
Emerald.
Yes.
Yeah, emerald. 20W10 M24P. Your opponent is the team with code 20W10 M24P. We request the team to choose their color.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
please, we can hear you. Can you tell us your color?
We will go with
Are you saying black?
we will go with magenta.
Magenta. Okay. They are saying magenta. Please open magenta for them. Magenta gives you the opponent with team code 20W13 M24M.
Yes, sir. I would like to go with silver.
Okay, this team is selecting silver. Please open silver 20W02 M24X. The team with code 20W02 M24X. Please tell us your color.
Orange, sir. Orange.
Can you repeat it? Is it olive?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, orange. 20F10 M24R. Your opponents are the team with code 20F10 M24R. If there is someone from the team, please choose your color.
We are choosing the color gray. Clay.
Which color? Can you repeat it?
Clay.
Clay. Okay, clay. Please open clay. 20F11 M24Q. Your opponents are the team with code 20F11 M24Q. Now this team is requested to tell us their color. The team with code 20F11 M24Q. Yes.
Sir, lime color.
Is it lime, LIME?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. It's lime. Please open lime. Yeah, Lime unveils 20W09 M24. Please hold on. We are just almost on the culmination. 20W09 M24Q. Please choose your color.
Sir, we choose copper.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Sir, we choose copper.
Copper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please open copper. 20W08 M24R. The team with the code 20W08 M24R. Please tell us your color.
Maroon. We choose
The
maroon.
team with code 20W08 M24R. Please unmute your audio and tell us the color.
We choose maroon.
Maroon. Yeah, please open maroon for them. Your opponents are 20W05 M24U. They will be respondents against you in preliminary round 2. Now this team will act as petitioners in preliminary round 1, and we request them to make a choice for their color.
We choose color olive.
Olive. Is it olive, the fruit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, olive. Olive. 20T11 M24E. Your opponents are 20T11 M24E. Now the team code is requested to choose their color.
We would like to choose coral.
Can't hear you clearly.
We would like to choose coral.
Coral. Please open coral for them. 20T02 M24N. The
We
team
would
with the
like to
code
choose orchid.
20T0T M24N, please tell us your color.
We would like to choose orchid.
Orchid, the last one. Orchid. Your opponents are 20W15 M24K. This is the 15th match.
So we would choose ash.
Ash. Is it ash?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please open ash. 20T10 M24F. 20T10 M24F. Now we are left with only one color, that is jade. So this is an apparent team 20T04 M24L. You will be respondents in preliminary round 1, and against you, the team which was selected as first petitioner, that is the first draw of lot, they will be respondents. That is team code 20T15 M24A. Now, for your convenience, we'll be sharing screens and displaying all the matches on screen for some time. This marks the termination of these proceedings. Thank you very much. If the teams have any issues, you can reach out to our volunteers or write to us through email. Thank you. All the best to all teams.
Good morning, all. In fact, vote of thanks is the conclusive ritual or formality. After hearing the soft, erudite, and inspirative opening address of Dr. Kishore Babu Garu, Dean MH&S Department, the chief guest of today, I find no words to express my deep sense of gratitude on behalf of KLF College of Law, the entire family of KLF College of Law. I take this opportunity to thank him profusely because in spite of his several routine preoccupations and knack preoccupations, has made it a point to spare his valuable time. I also take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude to our Honorable HOD Madam, Honorable Principal, Dr. K.I. Pawan Kumar Garu, for being with us and making this inaugural session a really colorful one, encouraging one, and inspirative one. Once again, I am at bay in a state of confusion. What type of compliments, what type of admiration I should give to my beloved students. Day one, they have been working as a team, sparing no efforts to bring this proposed event to this appreciable day of inauguration. As a matter of fact, though I have not taken any oath on God as a witness in the witness box before the court of law, I never thought my students whom I find in the lecture hall during the lecture would exhibit such a sense of responsibility and team spirit and going to lead KLF College of Law to the destination of success in the years to come. I express my deep sense of appreciation and thanks to them. I also take this opportunity to compliment my young and brethren, silent as Dr. Kishore Babu Garu has said, but dynamic in heart and spirit, Professor Mudassir Rasool. It is not first time that I have a live example of experience of Professor Mudassir with regard to conducting moot courts. I saw how he takes the event to heart and acts with a full spirit and responsibility. As a matter of fact, the moment he is made the convener of this 4th National Moot Court Competition of KLF College of Law, day and night he worked hard, and he is the spirit behind this today's inaugural session. Similarly, I also should express my sense of gratitude and thanks to my brother and faculty, Dr. J. Vinodini Devi Madam, Dr. Pooja, and Professor Naresh, and Professor A.V. Subramaniam, and all other faculties. Also, I should be failing in my duty if I don't make a word of appreciation to the cooperation extended by office staff, administrative staff, technical wing of KLF Mooting University. Above all, it is very, very important to express my deep sense of gratitude from the bottom of my heart, from the family of KLF College of Law, to our chairperson, Engineer Konir Satyananda Garu, but for whose encouragement, whose inspiration, whose ideology, we would not have been in a position to conduct this event. Similarly, our Vice Chancellor, Sir in absentia, Dr. G. Parsadi Varma Garu, and Honorable Pro Vice Chancellors and various higher authorities of KLUF Moot University should be mentioned individually for their hearty and earnest cooperation, without which this event would not have seen the light of the day. Last but not the least, I take this opportunity to thank one and all whom inadvertently I have missed to thank. I thank, of course, all the judges. At one phone call, they are kind enough to spare their professional busyness, academic busyness, or otherwise preoccupations. They are able to preside over and judge the performance of the participants. In the same way, I thank the principals and the honorable members of the management of various law colleges across the nation and the other universities for pairing and encouraging their students to make a participation in our moot court competition, who are collectively responsible in making this event a grand success. Certainly, I'm sure if the same tempo and spirit is continued in the years to come, this present fourth national level moot competition would remain an unforgettable, evergreen model competition in the years to come. Thank you once again. Thank you all. Sorry.